Hi, this is a tutorial video about how to install Hugo. Hugo is a fast and flexible static site generator. It is written in Go and it has an efficient content management system. Before we start the tutorial, we need to make sure that we have some prerequisites done. First, you will be needing an GitHub account and a fair working knowledge of command prompt. So now let's first install Hugo. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to the documentation and the installation part for Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'm going there. And from there, you need to find the pre-built binaries, latest release. And from this page, you can download the version which is suitable according to your operating system. So I have already done that. And when you download it, you are going to get these three files in a zip archive. What you need to do is copy these three files in a folder named bin and copy that folder into a folder named Hugo, like I did. After that, what we need to do is we need to copy the path of this bin folder and add it into our environment variables. So we need to edit this variable. So as you can see, I've already added the path, so I won't be doing it again, but you have to do it as a prerequisite. Okay, after that, and when we are done with this, what we need to do is we need to go to a folder of our choice and then open it in a VS Code or whatever editor you like the most. So now, firstly, we need to initialize Git. Cool, we are done with this. And now I'm going to follow a basic tutorial which Hugo has officially provided for the purpose of demonstration. So when we have done the environment variable part, we can see that the Hugo is officially installed and it is globally accessible to us. So after that, we have ensured everything that we need. What we are going to do is we need to create a new site with this command. You can title it anything you want, but I would be giving it a title project. And like that, we are done. ED project. So when the Hugo initializes, it would be showing these files as by default. Now what we have to do is firstly we need to install a theme because a theme is required to start building static pages. So for that, Hugo has a really nice repository of themes, which we can see here. We can choose any theme which we want. For example, like paper mod. So for this theme, when we go to download, every theme has its documentation and it shows how it can be installed. So if you wish to use any theme in particular, you can go here and find the installation, like the documentation here, and follow through it. But as I said, I would be using the Hugo documentation for the purpose being. So as we have initialized a Hugo site, Now what we need to do is we need to add a submodule. So what does a submodule do? A submodule for the theme. So basically initialize the theme using a submodule because it allows us updated version of that theme if ever happens that the theme get updated. Here's it. Here it is. We are done with this. Yeah. After that, we need to add theme to our hugo.toml file. So we will go to this and theme equals name of the theme. Now we can see that a site is generated. Okay. So now the next part is how to add content to a site because right now it is completely empty. So for that we can use this command. I would be shutting it off for now. So what this will do is this will create a new post structure for us, and then we can edit this post and make it our own. So what happened here is that in the content folder, there has been created a post folder, and in that a first post has been created like this. So if we wish to approve this to be on our website, we need to set it to false and then add text to it like, hi, this is a blog. And voila, we have our first blog post here. So this is a pretty basic tutorial about how to use Hugo and create a basic blog post to show your content online. We can do a lot more than this in Hugo, but that would require a completely different video. So for now, this is it. Thank you.